Wow, a new Labubu product is here. I'd only seen it in interviews before, but now I finally get to see it in person. Let's unbox it quickly. First, let's look at the ID card. The entire ID card has a pearlescent texture. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It has a long, plush-like feel when you touch it. It feels soft and squishy when you touch it. This must be the first Labubu with long plush fur. The overall colors of Labubu, it's like a spice rack spilled all over Labubu. The color blocks are very uniform and have a nice sense of layering. It's just like our Big Into Energy series. You probably received yours already. Each one is unique. Its eyes and little hands can move, and its feet are also posable. For previous generations of Labubu, we gave them little outfits, right? This time, Labubu comes with a small alloy pearl necklace. It's even shaped like a little heart. It feels quite substantial when you hold it. This little necklace gives Labubu a touch of elegance. I really want to take this Labubu home. Well, this unboxing is coming to an end. See you next time. Bye-bye.